Loneliness is something we've all felt at some point in our lives, and it creeps in when we least expect it. And sometimes, no matter how hard we try, it's always like there's no escape, right? I know what it feels like to be alone, like there's no one who truly gets you. But here's the thing, you're not alone in feeling this way. Like over the past few months, I've realized that loneliness isn't just about not having people around you, it's about not having the right people. People who truly understands you, people who have mutual interests, and people who actually care. And that's why I've decided to create something different. A free Discord community where like-minded people can come together, connect, and talk without the fear of judgment. And this is not just another random group chat, it's actually a safe space for genuine conversations, whether it's related to books or gym, dating, work, self improvement, anything. And you can talk to anyone at any random time in the world because there will be people from all around the world. So time will never be an issue, and there are text channels for literally every kinds of conversations. And the best part of it is that it's completely free, like absolutely free, no strings attached. And it's not just about text channels and a random huge community like we just hop on and chat. Like it's not that would be boring, right? So it's not just that, we also have a lot of stuff planned. For example, we understand that loneliness is not just about talking to people, it's actually a lot of it comes out of boredom. Like people don't really know what to do when you're bored. They just sit and continue scrolling reels or TikTok. So the best thing we have planned are challenges, like real life challenges. Like the most recent challenge I'm working on right now is just asking out challenge, where you're supposed to ask out people or just like try and get their number. It's really fun, and people can actually get out of their boredom and loneliness by actually meeting people. Because the only way of actually not feeling lonely is having the right people around, and the only way of finding right people around, not virtually, is actually going up to them in person. So we actually have a lot of challenges planned in the future too, and not just challenges, you also have the unlimited access to people from all around the world. This alone is like people charge thousands of dollars for this alone, but we have it for completely free, no strings attached, so you can join the community right away. And just one thing, if the community seems a little small for you right now, then all you can do is you can just jump on to challenges and you can start completing challenges, and we can talk about the challenge, like how did it go today, or how was the challenge, or how did you feel about the challenge, or just what benefits you came by when you were doing the challenge. And you can also sign up for newsletters from my side, like they're completely free, and it'll just help you master your mindset and build confidence and just improve your social and dating lives. And if that seems good to you, I'll see you guys there. And you just have to know this, that you don't have to face loneliness alone. There are people to help you. And the last thing is that let's face loneliness together. Join the community and I'll see you there. Peace.